Hello, hi, how are you? I am back again. My fringe is so weird. I don't know what to do with it, and I'm such an uncomfortable, awkward person, which doesn't make it easier. Anyway, today I'm back again with a lazy girl's guide to fragrance combining. So we're chatting Jo Malone, we're chatting fragrance, we're chatting combining fragrance. Now, first of all, what is fragrance combining? Well, it is literally taking one perfume from the Jo Malone collection, another perfume or body product from the Jo Malone collection, combining the two to kind of get something a little richer, a little deeper, a little more complex, and a little bit more bespoke to you. Like, a lot of people wear, say, lime basil mandarin, and you want to make it a little bit different. You want to add a little twist. You want to add a little some of them makes it more your own. That's fragrance combining. It's really fun as well. It also kind of makes you feel like the perfumer. You can play being the perfumer in a kind of like fail-safe way. Do you know what I mean? Like, no perfume in the Jo Malone collection is going to clash with another perfume in the Jo Malone collection. They've created them all to just combine beautifully with anyone you want. What are these hand actions about? Anyway, so what I'm trying to say is the Jo Malone collection is very clever. Basically, all the perfumes basically combine with all the perfumes. Like, there are no two combinations which don't really work. It's kind of amazing. The only thing you have to be aware of is when you get quite a soft perfume and a very heavy perfume, you combine the two, they don't really do much. So you can combine two perfumes, or you can combine one perfume and one bath and body product. So for instance, you could use the lime basil mandarin shampoo and conditioner, and then you could use the grapefruit cologne. Beautiful combination. Or you could use the pomegranate noir body cream, a favorite of mine, and you could wear it with, say, I don't know, dark amber and ginger lily. Like, you can combine it, you can play with it, you can mix it with your bath and body, you can just combine two perfumes together. You can have a lot of fun. However, I have a fail-safe tip. I personally think you just need two perfumes, and they are your major fragrance combiners. Now, if you want your perfumes to be a little bit fresher, lighter, airier, a little bit more minerally, a little bit more coastal, a little bit more like uplifting and joyful and fresh, then you can literally wear any of your Jo Malone perfumes and just add a little bit of wood sage and sea salt. It's going to add a little salt, it's going to add a little breeze and coastaliness, and you have to think of it like an ingredient. It's like adding a little salt to a dish. It's just going to make it go boop. So you can add wood sage and sea salt to literally anything. You can add it to red roses, you can add it to pomegranate noir, you can add it to lime basil mandarin, you can add it to peony and blush suede, you can add it to, I don't know, dark amber and ginger lily. You can add it to anything you want. But if you want to make your perfume a little bit more moody, a little bit more mysterious, a little bit more like, ooh, what's that you're wearing? You smell so good. Then you need to get Myrrh Tonka. Wait, I've got that here. Ta-da! Then if you get a bottle of Myrrh Tonka, you can literally combine the Myrrh Tonka with pretty much anything. Again, it goes with blackberry and bay, wild fig and cassis, pomegranate noir. It goes with peony and blush suede. So many. It goes with them all. It literally goes with everything. Just makes everything a little bit darker, a little bit richer, a little bit more mysterious. It adds some warmth, it adds some drama. Do you know what I'm saying? You can literally add Myrrh Tonka with anything, or you can add, let me get another perfume, or you can add wood sage and sea salt with anything. It's just like, do you want it light and fresh and breezy and summery, or do you want it dark, deep, mysterious and wintry? That's basically the cheats guide to fragrance combining. Like, it's really easy. It's really easy. Of course, you can get more adventurous if you go along. You can start combining, I don't know, red roses with blackberry and bay, or you could add, I don't know, you could add so many. You can do so many different combinations, and that's what's so much fun about Jo Malone. But for now, if you want to play it safe, you want to dip your toe into the fragrance combining waters, you just need two perfumes. You need a little wood sage and sea salt, you need a little Myrrh Tonka, and you can basically make any perfume a little bit more summery and airy and fresh and lovely, or you can make any perfume a little bit more dark, deep, mysterious and wintry. And that, my friends, is the easiest way to fragrance combine with Jo Malone. Anyway, I hope that video was of help. Yeah, let me know if you've got any questions. I love Jo Malone. I love chatting Jo Malone. And if you want to chat Jo Malone with me, let's discuss. I'm all ears. Anyway, thank you very much. Hopefully I will see you again soon. Goodbye.